Last call, Walter.
We need a word, Walter. Did you really think you can snitch on Mr. Snow and get away with it? Walter. I told you again and again.
Well, I see Snow sent his dog.
It didn't have to be this way, Walter. Mr. Snow took care of your father for years, and you after he died. All Mr. Snow wanted was a little cooperation, and you fucking snitched. What did you think would happen? Your little stunt would inspire others and you'd come out a hero? We run the cops, the judges, the animals. Take this trash outside. I'm going to get a drink.
This is for my cousin, you fucking cripple.
Ugh. This is your last warning, Walter. Don't fuck with Mr. Snow. This is my last favor to your father.